the Islamic extremists is up in the northern part of Africa. Now that's very far from us, but it's coming down and down and down. So Sub-Saharan is more Christian-based faiths, and north of the Sahara is Islam. A lot of Muslims. And that is spilling over. My friend Adrian Nell was killed by Islamic militants in Palma in Mozambique, in a raid where they took over the city. They wanted to take over the Total plant that was there. So it's on our borders. We as South Africans, I hope as a nation, we fight to keep it out because we are peaceful in our religion. I was very sad to hear that the first satanic church opened in Cape Town. The first satanic church in the world opened in Cape Town under our noses. That was very disturbing for me. We are a very godly nation.
Yeah.
Most of us, black, white, Indian, get religious upbringing. God is part of our upbringing. But yeah, do we fear religious persecution? Not at the moment, but it's definitely on our borders. And, I think religion in the north is used as a weapon.